So number 10 then from the second paper of the 2025 Advanced Higher Maths, a little 2-mark question here, bang in the middle of paper 2. Makes you think it's just a little stocking filler then. What can we do to make up those missing 2 marks? Find and fully factorise an expression for this. Well, you get these nowadays. Used to be you'd have to know them. That's the one you should always know, half n plus 1. And r cube's easy to remember because it's just the square of it. But the first bit would be this. You can split that up. Of r cubed minus 3 lots of r equals 1 to n of r. Put that down twice. Okay, and that's the one you know. So it's 3 times. And r is a half of, as it goes up to n, a half of n times n plus 1. And this one is just that squared. So it's a quarter of n squared, n plus 1 squared. Now, don't multiply that all out because you want it factorised, and you've already got lots of common factors between these 2 terms. First thing though is take out the worst of the fractions. Take out the biggest denominator you've got. So I'm taking out the quarter so that everything else is left as an integer. I can get a single n out, and I can get an n plus 1 out. So that's a good bit of the factorisation left. Done. So what's left? I still need another n. I still need another n plus 1. And with halves there, it's not minus 3, that would be minus 6, but I've got the rest. Okay. N plus 1. Let's just multiply that out. N squared plus n minus 6. Well, there you go, 3 2's. A quarter of 2 hasty. N plus 1. And then you've got an n, and it'll be the plus 3 minus 2, whichever way around you want. Plus 3 minus 2. And that's that done.